What's the meaning of chiromancy? Chiromancy. Chiromancy.
Chiromancy. Chiromancy. Chiromancy is the art of analyzing the lines and creases on a person's hand in order to gain insights into their character, personality, future, and even past experiences. The interpretation of these lines is said to reveal information about one's health, career, relationships, and other important life events. However, chiromancy is not a scientifically proven practice and has been widely regarded as a form of pseudoscience. While some people may find it entertaining or interesting, it is important to approach the practice with a healthy dose of skepticism and critical thinking.